औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज का जो टॉपिक है प्रीवियसली हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे सॉइल एंड इट्स टाइप्स। तो जनरली जो सॉइल छ आसान अस निश यह वुच अस जनरल अगर कैटेगराइज करो, we have got three types of soils. But which are sandy soil. Döme which is clay soil. Three type which is that is loamy soil. The types of soil agar wucho is types of soil agar wucho is in our state, that is Jammu and Kashmir. अगर इस पन्निस स्टेटस कुन त्रो नजर, we have got variety of soils. अस निश different types of soils इवान लबना. तो पत वुचो particular regions पेट, and we have got particular cultivation there. Once कहाँ soil specially for the crop improvement. For example, अगर इस निमो black soil, साइंस इस country श अगर इस आत्मा वुचो black soil, इम black soil लबना आसे यवान तत च गसान ज़्यादा cultivate cotton. Cotton खतर black soil very suitable यवान मानना. इथे कने अगर इस पनिस state Jammu and Kashmir कुन त्रो नजर, we have got varieties of soil. For example, local name as करो इस note. First one is Gurtis or clay soil. This is generally which is clay soil. Yet must large quantity of clay particles. So this soil is much compact. Go soil particles are very small. Use very small particles. They are closely and tightly packed. There is small space in between the soil particles. So this clay soil ability, it has got an ability. Kus ability yet much as water retaining capacity varia. Ishtha water retain panas mas capacity is high. Capacity is high. Yet is one gurti, that's one is clay soil generally. Doim soil in our Jammu and Kashmir, that is sickle. Yet is one sandy soil, you say poor sandy soil. Sandy soil. So sand particles are larger than the clay particles. So yet much sand particles yet water is easily flow because there is much space between the two particles. Yet space availability is yet bish yet use water moment of water is much. Bekes doim cheese clay soil sickle या sandy soil yet much water retaining capacity low. Retaining capacity low. Treyum use loose soil. Loose soil yavan मानना. तो सोडियम property अगर sandy soil मज कि यथ मज जुस aeration presence of air in between the two soil particles, in between the particles of the sandy soil, sand particles. The aeration much. Treyum use pura is yet bahil or लोमी सॉइल लोम सॉइल ये पूरा हर के लोमी सॉइल क्या गए यथ मंजन large amount of fine particles large and fine particles about same for example equal amount of soil particles soil particles small fine particles and large particles sorry sand and soil equal amounts no tach loamy soil yach kashir pati bahil soil sanis yat Jammu and Kashmir mans tzoorim yus chu नंबल और पीट सॉइल यह वन पीट सॉइल नंबल सॉइल यह वाटर लॉजिंग वाटर यह एवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ मच एवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर यह दलदल वुचान सह वुचान ग्रास लैंड एवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ वाटर quantity of grass is asal ithai chu panchim soil tach vana surzamin shayim soil yus chu kareva soil agar wuchu is specific regions pet ivan pampur agar gumit aso pampur regions chu ach ivan kareva soil labna is special for saffron cultivation yum te soil particles in soil yum much important influence on the properties size of the soil particle youth size board teach image property alag for example sands mo aeration much availability of water low या retaining capacity कम तो अगर वो क्ले सॉइल सह फाइन पार्टिकल्स तथ पे इम्पार्टेंस तीज लगा कि वाटर रिटेनिंग कैपेसिटी हाई या दे आर टाइटली पैक्ड सह मच हार्डर दैन द सैंडी सॉइल नश इथे कन वाटर रिटेनिंग कैपेसिटी हाई एरेशन तत कम क्या बिकॉज स्पेस इज लेस इथे कन वुच कि सैंड पार्टिकल क्वाइट लार्ज they cannot fit closely together so there are large space in between them ko aeration te ast variya agar we 50% of volume of typical soil consists of air filled pores 50% agar typical soil which is 50% of soil mas kya yath mas air filled pores large asan kya particles asan large yum space gasan fill with air we say that sand is well aerated sand is well aerated water can drain quickly this water is quickly drain gasan amo space so sandy soil tend to be light sandy soil well aerated be rather dry clay particles being much smaller packed tightly together leaving the little space clay particles little space banavan unlike sandy particles large space water can held in tiny space between the particles of clay so clay has a little air tooth but they are heavy than the sand soils heavy as they hold much amount of water zyada hold karam water ko yim property loamy soil agar wuchu is mixture of sand and clay another type of soil agar wuchu is tach vanai silt occurs as a deposit in the river beds silt thoda particles soil sand particles mon is badi yum to river beds tach yum gasan silt formation silt occurs as a deposit in the river beds the size of silt particles between those of sand and clay yum in between the sand and clay go agar smaller particles sand soil the larger particles sand in between size tach wana silt this common jayn evan labna river bed pattern this loamy soil which ath mas zyada humus te it has light water holding capacity for growth of loamy soils mas plant growth ath tith plant growth ath man capacity tith ki go soil ach wuch ke soil is particle size یوٗت پاٹِکَل سایز کَم آسہِ تَتھ تہِ وٕچھ اَسہِ پراپرٹی یوٗت پاٹِکَل سایز بوٚڑ آسہِ تَتھ تَمِچ گوٚو أسۍ ہٮ۪کو یہِ ؤنِتھ کہِ سویِل یُس چھُ اَمِچ پاٹِکَل سایز ڈِفاینٕز د آل پراپرٹیٖز آل اِمپاٹَنٹ پراپرٹیٖز آف د سویِل دِس اِز آل ایباوُٹ سویِل اَمہِ پَتہٕ پَرو أسۍ پراپرٹیٖز سویِل تہٕ تَمہِ باوجوٗد کہِ کیٛاہ کیٛاہ ٹاپِک آسہِ یَتھ منٛز وی وِل ڈوٗ اِٹ آل سو تھینک یوٗ